everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Pandas part 8, and in this video we are starting an advanced CSV project using a real dataset from Kaggle. We will be working with the Netflix movies and TV show dataset, and we will analyze it step by step using Python Pandas, just like a real data analyst. This video is not rushed, not complicated, and completely beginner friendly if you already know Pandas basics. And in this channel we already uploaded some of the Pandas basics, so we can go through that. Okay, before that, I just mentioned the dataset I used in this project, and the link is also provided in the cell. So you can take it from there and directly download and extract the file. So before that, we need to load. I already load this. First of all, we need to click this icon and it will move to Netflix where my downloads are stayed. So here we can see this and we open from here. Before that, while you download, you will get a extracted zip file, so you need to extract it first and you can take it from there. Okay, so other thing is, if you have a larger file than this, you can do it in Google Colab. You can do it in Jupyter. Google Colab, it can be done in Google Colab, but while we do this, it may take a long period of time to load the file. Okay, so the alternative option is Jupyter, and place the file and the by extension file also in the same folder, so you can directly fetch it from there. Okay, so now we are going to our first step. Here, firstly, we import pandas and load the CSV file. For that, we need to write import pandas as pd. For loading the file, we use df equal to pd.read CSV with the file name. Here it's Netflix. So, and we just want to know the heads. Now we get what are the column names and the content, all that. Okay. This dataset comes directly from Kaggle and contains information about Netflix, movies and TV shows. Whenever we start a real project, the first thing we do is load the data and look the first few rows to understand what kind of information we are working with. So don't forget this code. Now we move to understand the data structure. So for that, we can took df.info. Now we get the information of that dataset. Also, we can check the shape, df.shape. It's 8807 and 12. So next we use the info method to understand the structure of the dataset. This tells us the column names, data types, and whether there are missing values. The shape tells us how many rows, columns are present. This step is very important before doing analysis. Okay. Now we are going to check the missing values. Okay, we can mention that. So for that, df load is na.sum. Real world datasets are never preferred, so we can check missing values. This helps us to understand or see which columns contain missing data and how much cleaning is required before analysis. So there are no missing values and there are some of the missing values existed. So we need to handle the missing data here. Instead of deleting rows, we will fill the values with meaningful placeholders. Okay. We can take df country and dot fill now unknown, and with a comma we will in place equals true. After that, other missing column is, this one is the missing column, director. Same code, just continue writing director fill now and not available, comma in place. So instead of deleting the rows, we filled the missing values with the words unknown and not available. Okay. Now we need to check how our df is and any more missing values are present or did we fill it or not. We can copy paste this and write here. So here the country and the directed column is 0, only the cast is left. Okay, cast and duration is left. Now we need to analyze the content type. So for that, We can state analyze content type. We use df type, then dot values, counts. It's note values, it's value. So we get content, movies, and TV shows. Now let's analyze the content type and we do it. And we get how many movies and how many TV shows are available on Netflix. This is a sample example, and but it's powerful insight that help us to understand Netflix content strategies. Okay, so before ending our section, we can also go through the country-wise insight. For that, instead of the type, we can give the word country and just count the value with some hits. Okay, let's run. So we get here we look at the top countries producing Netflix content. Country-wise analysis help us to understand global content distribution and regional dominance. So one simple visualization let's do. Okay, for that we import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then we give df type dot value on count dot plot kind of bar. Then let's give the title plot dot. I would like to give the movies vs TV shows on Netflix, and plot dot is x label as content type, and plot dot y label as count. Plot dot show. Okay, let's run. So visualization make data easier to understand. This parser clearly compares the importance of movies and TV shows on Netflix, and even non-technical users can understand insights quickly using charts like this. Okay, so this is all for today, and keep learning, keep doing, do with your own CSV files, download different files, and keep practicing this course. Okay. In Pandas Part 8, we worked with a real Kaggle CSV dataset and performed an advanced data analysis using Pandas. We loaded the data, cleaned the missing values, explored trends, and visualization insights. This is how Pandas is used in real-world data analytics projects. So in the next video, we will continue this project and go deeper into filtering, trend analysis, all that. So keep watching so you can understand each of this code very cleanly and deeply, and you will be able to do your own projects. So thanks for watching. See you.